Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to learn basic concepts of geometry. So let's understand what is geometry. So the branch of mathematics which deals with shape, size, position, spatial relationships and properties of different figures is called geometry. There are different parameters involved to define any shape. The basics of geometry depends on majorly on point, line, angles and plane. All the geometrical shapes are based on these basic geometrical concepts. Let's define them. So what is a point? A point is a dimensionless entity which specifies the location or position. It is represented using a dot symbol and its length is 0. Let's say point A, point B. Then we have line. What are lines? So it is one-dimensional collection of points extending infinitely, endlessly in both directions. Let's see how do we represent it. So this is represented using the diagram here. We say that this is line AB. We can also name it as single letter L, as line L, line M, and so on. And it never ends. Line never ends. It does not have a definite length. These arrows say that it extends endlessly in both directions. So what are rays? So it is one-dimensional collection of points extending infinitely in one direction, and it is represented here. Let us say ray AB. So it has a starting point, and we always say ray AB. We never say BA. So from the starting point, we name it as. And again, a ray does not have a definite length. The arrow says it extends endlessly in one direction. What is a plane? It is a flat 2D, two-dimensional surface defined by three non-collinear points. So ABC, we say that this is a plane ABC. The tabletop, the wall, the floor, these are all the examples of a plane. Two lines in a plane, they either meet or extend or do not meet at all. Okay. So if these are the lines, they get, see, these arrows say they do not meet and they are parallel to each other. The lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. We are going to learn more about parallel lines in the next video. We also have done the videos on parallel lines. These lines, when extended, they are meeting, and these are the intersecting lines. We're going to learn about the angles formed by intersecting lines and parallel lines in the next video. So what is an angle? So angle is where the two rays meet. It's called an angle. So the two straight lines, all rays, if they share the same end point, they form an angle. They form an angle. Now this is the initial side, says line 1, and this is the terminal side, line 2. So when we start rotating here this way, the angle is formed. The point where two lines intersect is called vertex of an angle. We always write this vertex should be in between. So we say angle AOB. Always the vertex will be in between. We name it as angle AOB. The two lines form the sides of an angle. We also call them as arms of an angle. The space between the lines is called an angle. This is an angle. And the size of an angle, it depends on how much it turns. And the size is measured in degrees. Okay. So these are the basic concepts, children. If you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we're coming up with more on the different types of lines and the angles formed. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.